Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a second account in your Google Pay app. Once you are on the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Now, next, tap on bank accounts here under the payment method section. Now scroll down, tap on add bank account. This is where you can connect a second or even third account. From here, either scroll or use the search bar at the top to find your bank. Google Pay will now verify your bank account using the mobile number linked to your bank. Just follow the prompts. If prompt, allow SMS permission and complete any extra steps like UPI PIN if needed. Once completed, you will see a success message like this that says you are set to make payments, bank account added. And that's it. You have added a secondary bank account in Google Pay. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more short tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.